Perceive that which cannot be seen with the eye. Miyamoto Musashi. My friends, each and every day you will learn that perception by learning the nuances of your favorite stocks and ETFs by following them. Practice trading them, learning their personalities. Let's jump into these charts. The market up again on Friday. Now we had several down days on the S&P 500 this week. And look at the trend line, hitting right on it and running right up it. That is on the half day. We can see the 2-day sitting on it, red down candle there, but 2 green up candles for the day. Ended up the S&P 500 up 0.57%. A week going higher, average volume. Look at the 2-day average volume. We had a little above average volume in the morning on the half day and below it in the afternoon. Looks like it pulled back a little bit, more exuberance in the morning, but still an up day and an up week, my friends. Again, market just keeps going up. I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. Why? Because, of course, we keep pumping money into the economy backed by nothing, and real stuff just goes higher. And that is what the stock market is. At some point, it will come crashing down and all of this will disappear. But in the meantime, we will ride it up, and we want to do what? Avoid the pullback, the crash. Where are we on the NASDAQ 100? I hope that's what you're training for. I so hope that's what you're training for, that when this is over and everything goes to crap, you are not holding the bag. But that's up for you to learn, you to practice, and you to decide what to do when the time comes. Okay, the Qs up for the day 0.41%. You can see where we have the 2-day candle sitting right there on the trend line. You can see where we had some volatility in the morning, popped up. Again, market up. Can't tell if it was up higher in the afternoon or not. Could have been. Looks like it probably wasn't, or at least matched where it was. Don't really care. I care about where the market closed at 0.41% up. Again, hasn't made up for that move down that started in the afternoon on Tuesday and sort of stopped at the end of the day. Well, stopped on Thursday. So that is where we are again, running up the weekly trend line on that half-day chart. We are still long stocks, both the NASDAQ and the S&P. What about bonds? Well, bonds ended up, we didn't get a spinning top like we had hoped for. We didn't get quite average volume. We did have things break that trend line, broke it pretty hard. We see the 2 days well below it. Half day has been below it. So, I mean, really sort of came down all the way through Monday the 22nd and sort of sliding sideways since then. Ended up just a little bit down, almost flat, 0.09% for the day. And again, we have a spinning top on the 2-day chart, means some indecision, but no volume to back that up. So again, where are we? I've already coded it red. I don't have any, super strong indication that it's red, but it is much better than a coin toss of bearishness. You'll see that on the trade execution summary grid, which already been sent out. We try to do that as soon as we can when the market's closed to our Patreon members. So it's at the Patreon page there for all of the active Patreon members. We open it up the next day to the free Patreon members and then to the general public that 3rd day. So again, you want to get this information early, become a Patreon supporter, help underwrite the cost at the channel. So we are bearish on bonds. What about gold? Well, gold just up today. Beautiful. I mean, after a day and a half of some down moves, we saw things level out yesterday afternoon with a green spinning top doji, and then in the morning up nicely. Another green candle in the afternoon. Ended the day up 0.58%. Look at this week. Stair steps moving up. Look at the increased volume. We are still quite long gold. I mean, beautifully long gold. It is our highest long position percentage-wise with decent backtest accuracy. And lastly, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin pulling back again. Look at how far below Bitcoin is from that prior trend line. We have a rotation over on Bitcoin. We have 6 days of increasing down movement on that 2-day chart with all of that volume on the last one. You can see where the volume was high both yesterday afternoon and this morning on Friday. And again, down on Bitcoin. Don't know how long that's going to go because we had 3 down weeks, 2 up weeks, after Bitcoin hit its high of highs. Let's see, 34.79, 34.55. So yet when it hit the high back on the week beginning the 11th of August, it's been down, it's been up, it's down again. And we are somewhat bearish on Bitcoin right now. Not a high percentage, but more than a coin toss. That is where we are, folks, as we end the day on Friday. So appreciate you being with us. Always love to hear from you. For free, you can become a subscriber at chartingwealth.com. And every day you get emailed to you a special training that's included in that email along with the videos that we produce every day. So you get the training and the daily video. God bless, my friends. All the best. Oh, and you also get the prior day's trade execution summary grid. So that's helpful. And that comes free. All the best, my friends, from the whole team at Charting Wealth. God bless you.